Hey guys, this is how to play Warzone on repeat.gg. So first thing that you will do is go to repeat.gg and click on login over here if you have an account, or just click on sign up over here if you don't have an account. So you can sign up with Google or PlayStation Network or Facebook or with email. So it will be depending on you. So guys, from here just simply click on this, and now once you are logged in, just simply click on this, and after that just simply go for desktop, or if you are playing on PlayStation just click on this, or if you are playing on Xbox just click on this. So it will be depending on your play. And then now just simply go over here, Warzone, and right away you will see all of the tournaments that are available on a Warzone game. And from here you will have multiple options, as you can see. So let's say I'm gonna go for Resurgence Cup and click on this. And from here, in order for you to potentially earn, just simply click on add game. And from here, just click on this and click on continue. And from here, just select a login method. So I'm going to go for battle.net and click on login to your account. So just simply provide your email and address to connect your Warzone game into your repeat GG. And once you are connected, you will be automatically joining the tournament. And from here, when you click on leaderboard, you will see who is the number one on the spot, and you'll be able to see what place you are in. And also when you click on the prize pool, this is the prize that you will get when you rank number 1, 2, and 3, and so on. And now when you go to the scoring, this is the scoring system that they have. So when you get a kill, you get 16 points, and the others as well. So now when you go to the rules, you'll be able to see here a more detailed description about the tournament. And there you go. Just simply add the game and connect your Warzone account into Repeat GG, and you will be able to earn. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.